Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXC Track Time. Trackies, please remember to like the video and of course subscribe to the channel. Trackies, this is a quick one. And of course, this is breaking news. Just in trackies, Shelly-Ann Fraser Price is scheduled to hit the track before Saturday. Trackies, I did a video saying that, she's going to be running on Saturday, in Madrid. However, it seems as though she'll be hitting the track before that. Trackies, she'll be running in Spitzern. I hope I'm saying that right. Luzerne, that is in Switzerland. Chakis on Thursday. So she'll be running at that particular meet, Chakis. And of course, she's going over the 100 meters. Chakis, as it stands now, there has been no start list that has been released just yet. So once I have that information, of course, I'm going to share that with you here. But of course, we're excited to see Shelly-Ann Fraser Price hit the track. She's getting those races in trackies before the World Championships. And of course, we're excited to see, where she is and, what the eventual outcome could be for her, at the end of this season, this World Championship, right? But anyway, trackies, again, Shelly hits the tracks on Thursday in Spitzern, Luzerne, and that is in, of course, Switzerland. Trackies. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Like the video and, of course, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.